Carbide burrs, essential rotary tools for grinding, deburring, and shaping in workshops and fabrication settings, come in a spectrum of price points that reflect not just branding, but fundamental differences in construction, longevity, and real-world utility, prompting users to weigh whether the upfront cost of premium options justifies the investment over budget alternatives. At their core, budget burrs, often priced under $5 per piece, cater to hobbyists or occasional users with basic tungsten carbide formulations that prioritize affordability through simpler manufacturing processes, while premium burrs, ranging from $10 to $30 each, incorporate advanced engineering for professional demands, ensuring superior performance across demanding tasks like aerospace detailing or automotive restoration. The decision hinges on understanding what separates these tiers: materials, durability, and feature refinements that translate to tangible savings over time, as premium burrs often outlast budget ones by factors of 3 to 5 times, reducing replacement frequency and minimizing downtime. This article breaks down these distinctions, verbally comparing key aspects like shank strength and performance metrics, while narrating cost-benefit scenarios through conceptual charts to illuminate the value proposition for different user profiles. The most significant divergence lies in the carbide materials themselves, where quality directly impacts durability and cutting efficiency, turning a seemingly minor tool into a long-term asset or a disposable one. Budget burrs typically employ standard-grade tungsten carbide with higher cobalt binder content, around 10 to 15%, to keep production costs low, resulting in a matrix that's sufficiently hard, 85 to 88 Rockwell A scale, for light-duty work on soft metals like aluminum, but prone to microchipping under prolonged stress, or abrasive loads, such as grinding cast iron, where the coarser grain structure leads to faster flute erosion and heat buildup exceeding 700 degrees Fahrenheit. In contrast, premium burrs utilize micrograin or submicron carbide formulations with refined cobalt levels, 6 to 8%, and additives like tantalum for enhanced toughness, achieving hardness ratings of 90 to 94 Rockwell A that resist wear even in high heat scenarios, allowing them to maintain sharp edges through hundreds of hours of use on harder substrates like stainless steel without glazing or binding. Verbally comparing this in action, picture a budget burr tackling a weld seam on mild steel. It bites initially but dulls after 20 to 30 minutes, forcing deeper pressures that vibrate the tool and mar the surface, whereas a premium counterpart glides consistently, shearing chips cleanly with minimal resistance, extending session times without fatigue. This material superiority means premium burrs handle diverse applications, from wood carving to titanium deburring, with less frequent sharpening, ultimately lowering the per-use cost for frequent operators. Performance differences extend beyond raw durability to how the burrs interact with the rotary tool and workpiece, where premium options excel in heat management, vibration control, and finish quality, often justifying their price through reduced rework and enhanced safety. Budget burrs, with their basic single or double-cut flutes, perform adequately for straightforward tasks, but generate more friction due to less precise grinding during manufacturing, leading to uneven chip evacuation and surface finishes that require secondary polishing. Imagine using one on acrylic composites, where the coarser flutes cause melting and stringy residues at speeds above 10,000 RPM, compromising the detail in a prototype enclosure. Premium burrs, however, feature optimized flute geometries, such as helical patterns with tighter tolerances, plus or minus 0.001 inches, that promote smoother shearing and better heat dissipation, enabling higher feed rates, up to 2 inches per second, without overheating, which is crucial for precision engraving where a budget burr might chatter and leave micro-scratches. A verbal comparison of shank strength highlights this further. Budget shanks, often made from standard high-speed steel with minimal heat treatment, measure 0.125 inches in diameter, but flex under torque loads above 1 Newton meter, risking slippage in collettes during extended runs, and potentially causing tool ejection. Premium shanks, forged from alloyed steel with cryogenic tempering, boast reinforced diameters up to 0.187 inches and tensile strengths exceeding 200,000 psi, providing rock-solid stability even at 25,000 RPM on die grinders, allowing confident use in overhead or inverted positions without wobble-induced errors. When evaluating cost-benefit, narrated charts offer a clear lens into the long-term economics, revealing how premium burrs shift from higher initial outlay to superior value for intensive users. Envision a line graph charting total cost over 100 hours of use for a single burr on steel grinding. The x-axis spans time in hours, the y-axis dollars spent. The budget line starts low at $5, but climbs steeply with replacements every 20 hours. 5 total burrs at $25 cumulative, forming a jagged upward slope that plateaus around $30 by hour 100 due to frequent downtime for swaps. In contrast, the premium line begins at $20, but rises gradually, needing only one replacement midway for a total of $40. Its smoother curve underscoring 50% savings through longevity, with shaded areas below the lines representing avoided labor costs from fewer interruptions, ideal for a professional shop handling 500-plus hours annually, where the premium's efficiency yields a net benefit of $100 plus per tool set. For hobbyists, a bar chart comparison over 50 hours illustrates a different narrative. Budget bars stack modestly at $15 total, 3 burrs, edging out premium's $20 single unit in pure cost, but a secondary axis adding performance scores, e.g., Ansit, finish quality on a 1 to 10 scale, shows budget dipping to 6 out of 10 with wear-induced inconsistencies, while premium holds at 9 out of 10, narrating a qualitative edge where the extra $5 buys frustration-free results and safer operation, potentially preventing workpiece discards worth $50 in materials. Beyond shanks and flutes, premium burrs often include subtle enhancements like anti-corrosion coatings, e.g., titanium nitride layers adding 20% lubricity, that budget versions omit, further amplifying performance in humid or chemical-exposed environments by preventing rust on the shank during storage, a common budget pitfall that leads to collet damage over time. Verbally dissecting a pie chart for feature allocation. In budget burrs, 70% of the value pie goes to basic carbide and shank, with 20% to flutes and 10% to packaging, leaving little for refinements. Premium pies redistribute to 40% advanced carbide, 25% precision flutes, 20% coated shanks, and 15% quality assurance testing, visually segmenting how this balance translates to 3 times longer life and 40% faster cuts, as the coatings reduce friction coefficients from 0.3 to 0.1, enabling cooler runs that preserve tool geometry. For cost benefit in a multi-tool scenario, narrate a stacked area chart tracking a 10-burr set over a year. Budget areas accumulate red replacement bands totaling $50, overlaid with yellow downtime layers adding $100 in lost productivity. Premium stacks green durability zones at $200 initial but minimal additions, netting a blue savings overlay of $150, emphasizing how pros recoup costs in 3 to 6 months through reliability, while casual users might favor budget for sporadic needs without the performance premium. Ultimately, choosing between budget and premium carbide burrs boils down to usage intensity and priorities. Budget options deliver entry-level functionality for light tasks, sufficing for occasional deburring where cost trumps longevity. But premium variants pay dividends in material excellence, robust shanks, and sustained performance that streamline workflows and elevate outcomes. Through these narrated charts and comparisons, the true value emerges. What you're paying for isn't just a tool, but the efficiency, safety, and precision that amplify every project, making premium a strategic investment for those where quality cuts deeper than price.